now for your Bellin Run update. The countdown is on to Green Bay's Bellin Run, happening next Saturday, June 8th. And with events like the run, organization is the key to success, especially when it comes to volunteers.
I am in charge of recruiting the volunteers for the Bellin Run. Without our volunteers, we would not be able to put on such a successful race that we do every year. It requires about 1,600 people that come and either fill cups for water stations, work in our first aid tents, work in the registration tents, help put packets together, work at corners. They're all very vital jobs.
Those who help during the race are involved for different reasons than you might expect.
I do it because it's great satisfaction, and it's getting together again with the people that I worked with, that I liked, they were so good to me, and I really enjoyed those friendships, and I like to maintain them as well as I can and be a little help where I can volunteer and help out a little bit.
The Bellin Run is just such a wonderful community event, and there's just so much more to it than bringing in elite runners and getting to know people like Joni Samuelson and Ed Eyestone and all of the great runners who have run and won here in the past. Uta Pippig, another crowd favorite. But it's more about what Bellin is after with this whole process, and that's promoting wellness and good health in the community. The satisfaction of handing out a cup of water at somebody passing mile marker number 5 or 6 can give you just as great a reward as running the race yourself. And whether it's helping out in the registration tent or serving up a plate of spaghetti the night before, you're going to find out that you're going to be as involved as the runners themselves. And who knows, you'll be hooked, and in 5, 10, 15 years, you'll be back at that same registration tent or at the spaghetti dinner or near the finish line helping out as a volunteer. That's what makes this thing so unique. There's so many ways to get involved in this great community event.
We get a group of people that work at a specific water station, and they dress up and they have music, and they get such a blast out of standing there. We also have people that love to come and do race packet assembly year after year after year. They just derive such pleasure out of being able to help someone else, and that's what this race is about. Is we're not only putting feet on the street, but we're helping make the lives of other people better. And although we do have a lot of repeat volunteers every year, we always get newbies, and to see the excitement in their eyes as they're out there for the first time watching the crowd go past them, and to be able to help them participate in this race, it's phenomenal.
When asked how long they plan to volunteer, most of the responses are the same.
It's probably as long as I'm around, to tell you the truth.
As long as I can stand on 2 feet.
Now, this year's race is expected to attract the largest number of participants ever, and that means the need for volunteers is the highest it's ever been.